Hey dudes, so the National Neon site is basically almost ready for launch. It's looking super great. We have, a nice call to action with a pop-up form here, to collect the data. And this probably needs to be a bit bigger. I'll talk to Tamara about that. We have, location pages. So if we go to areas we serve, we have an Alberta page. We have individual pages for Calgary, Edmonton, and Red Deer for now, and we will add pages for Vancouver, Toronto later. But for now, we're good. So that's great. Actually, what we'll probably want to do doesn't matter. I'll do it. Add it to the homepage. We'll want to add links to the locations, the homepage as well. Let's just show you how the Alberta page looks. It's basically a clone of the homepage with keywords related to Alberta signs, things like that, and then the thing that's different here is that links to our Alberta locations, Calgary, Edmonton, Red Deer, so linking to all of those, and then we have a custom map with pins to each of the Google My Business. So all three of those are created. So anyways, the site is basically almost ready for launch, but we need to do some things to prepare for that. So, here is what we need, what I'm going to need from you guys to help get it going. Currently, it's actually being hosted, I believe, on our Green Geeks, which is fine, but I think we want to set up on a Canadian server if possible. I think that was part of the deal. So Josh, definitely look into that. We need to get new hosting for it. We'll definitely want to set up an SSL. That was part of the arrangement as well. So we need to set up an SSL for the site. Migrate site. We don't really need to migrate anything if unless we're actually switching hosting. If we are, then we will need to migrate the site. So nationalneon.com. This is a big thing here. So right now it's created on Squarespace. On Squarespace, we can't go into the backend really and edit the htaccess file. Why do we need to do that? We need to redirect each existing URL on nationalneon.com, so /storefront signage, to the nationalneonsigns.ca /storefront signage. So we're going to need to make a list of all the pages that exist on the existing site and their corresponding pages on the new site, and then add that code to the htaccess file so that they redirect properly. The final thing, and we'll need to find this out from Noach, is about emails. They already have existing emails on nationalneon.com. Most likely they want to keep those, so we need to find out how to forward all emails from the new site to their nationalneon.com domain. And then we can cancel Squarespace for them because they don't need to be paying for that. So let's try to get this done as soon as possible. That would be great. Once we launch the site, we'll definitely need to remove the old site and do those redirects. So this is something that we probably want finished within the next week. If you have any questions, let me know. But Josh, I know that you know what you're doing there. And in terms of Canadian hosting, we can either use Host Papa, or we can talk to the guys at Tectone here. However, they haven't really been responding to me, so I'll talk to them. But if we can find any Canadian hosting that we can get for good quality, I think it's in our contract that we cover it. So let me know about that. So this is something I'll need you guys to do. And Yosef, it will be really good experience for you to get in a hang of editing an htaccess file, migrating a website, things like that. Benet and PK are both very qualified at that, so if we need them to do it, that's no problem. I just wanted to show you what we need to do in order to get the new site up there. Now there's still a few more things that need to be done here. Adding geotagged images, Benet's working on that. Interlinking pages, I'll need to do that. Location support pages, I need to do those. I've already added the topical supporting pages. And different things that we can do down the road, but it's almost ready for launch. And this stuff here is going to be important.